Here's how to create a Shopify app for free with a single screenshot and no coding experience. First, find the app you want to copy. So in this case, I love the reviews on this website, so I'm going to take a screenshot of this page, and then I'm going to head over to Cursor. It's a free AI-powered IDE, and you don't need any coding experience to use this. It might look intimidating at first, but check this out. I'm going to create a new folder, call it Review Shopify App, and then I'm going to open that folder in Cursor like this. Then I'm going to drag and drop my screenshot into Cursor, and this automatically adds it as context to the chat over here, where I'm going to say create a clone of this Shopify review app. And by the way, I'm using a tool called superwhisper to transcribe my voice, and this makes vibe coding even easier. And here's what Cursor came up with. It's pretty bare bones, and you can actually see here that Cursor is asking for some sample images. So I'm going to head over to Qwen Chat where I can generate these for free, and while I'm here, I'll also generate some sample reviews too. And I'm going to put these images and reviews into folders and add them to Cursor like this, and Cursor is going to use these to propagate the app. Next, I'd like to create multiple columns of reviews and have them staggered so that the page feels more dynamic, so I'll ask Cursor to do that, and also to add more reviews. So things are looking pretty great now. We've even got the ability to see these images in full screen, but I actually want to see the review in full screen too, not just the photo. So I'm going to ask Cursor to add that functionality, and after a few seconds, here's what it came up with. The next feature I wanted to add was dark mode, and as usual, Cursor didn't disappoint, and at this point, I was pretty happy with the app, so I decided to add something fun, party mode. I told Cursor to go crazy with this one and crank it up to 15. So just to recap, this was all done in less than an hour. I did not write a single line of code. In fact, I hardly typed anything at all thanks to superwhisper, and no money was spent here. This app was entirely free to develop.